Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a video on Bitcoin and we are going to look at Bitcoin chart, and I want to show you something which is very important in my opinion, and hence I wanted to share this with you. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So first let me take you on to my Twitter handle, and if you had seen this tweet, I had tweeted this yesterday. Too early for this week, but getting a weekly close about 39,582 would be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Whether we get it this week or next week is a matter of time. I want to show you something why this is important. I know a lot of people are talking about 41, 42,000 area, and no doubt that has been one of the biggest resistance for Bitcoin. If we look at the daily chart, then we can clearly see that this area at around 40 to 42,000 has been one of the biggest resistance. But why 39,582 weekly close is important? I have now opened a weekly chart, and if you look at the weekly chart, I have zoomed in, and Bitcoin forever, whenever it has been in this range on the weekly chart, if we forget the wicks, I hope you guys can see this clearly. I'm zooming in. Whenever Bitcoin has been in this range since Bitcoin was in price discovery, and in January 2021, Bitcoin first came into this range of 30 and 42,000. If you look at all these candles very clearly, these are weekly candles. We have never got a weekly candle above this price range except for this recent weekly candle, which is at approx 39,000. If you see, whenever we touch this 40 to 42,000 area price zone on the weekly, you see they are all spikes. Can you see this? They are all wicks or spikes, whatever you call them. But this is for the first time we have gotten a weekly candle. It's still in the making. We are still early as this week is not over. But can you see this? It is for the first time that this price zone, we are getting a candle, not just a spike or a wick. And hence I told you that if we get a close above 39,582 somewhat price, it is basically 39,000 to $39,500 area, more of 39,000. I think that would be very and extremely bullish for Bitcoin, in my opinion. And there is one more reason for me to tell you this. Let me just show you why. If we look at our weekly EMA, then which is one of the main indicators to check whether price is bullish or bearish, you can clearly see this entire pump since April last year. Bitcoin was above this 21 weekly EMA. And whenever Bitcoin was above this 21 weekly EMA, it was basically a bull market. Can you see this very clearly? And in fact, a lot of times in this pump, this Bitcoin pump since last year, you can see Bitcoin was way above this 21 weekly EMA. In 2020, it used to retest often, but after September last year, so from October onwards, Bitcoin was literally flying way above 21 weekly EMA. And it came down heavily in this May crash. You can see this 10th May week. This is a weekly candle. So in the first week of May or the second week of May, Bitcoin first retested, and then in the later week it broke down, and now you can see it is again retesting the weekly EMA candle. It is currently above it because that candle weekly EMA candle price range is 39,500. So if we can get a close about 39,500 in this week, and if we start our next week from here, it would be very similar to this candle. And then I think flipping 39,500 into support on the weekly time frame would be extremely bullish in my opinion, and that's why I believe 39,500 is on a weekly close is very important for Bitcoin. In my opinion, it is more important than 42,000 price track that a lot of people are giving importance, because that definitely is a resistance on daily. But if you look on the weekly and if you look on a higher time frame, getting a weekly close about 39,500 would be extremely bullish. Extremely bullish in my opinion. You can see that clearly that currently that price is holding well on the daily, but it's just been 2 days where we have a candle above 39,000 price tag. So this is a really good news, and we have to see yet that how well we end in this week. So this is something which is very important in my opinion, and hence I wanted to share this with you. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And guys, please like the video. It helps me and it helps the video to be promoted more if you like it more. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.